Hey, this is Christy, and we are spending the day in Jupiter. Well, we're spending the sunset in Jupiter. Jupiter, Florida is a very special place. We are so excited, and we love the city. It's a place we go pretty often as a family. And we're here with our friends, the Adventures of Ian and Sean. And we always have fun with them. So, let's have fun. Come along. We have a lot to show you. Florida Family Insiders. Every day is an adventure. Coral Cove Park is located in Tequesta, Florida, right outside of Jupiter proper. It is 15 acres of beautiful, mostly guarded beaches. And on the other side is almost 15 acres of intercoastal as well. Here you can see a sea turtle nest, which has been roped off. Sea turtle nesting is protected in Florida, and you can have a peek, but we don't disturb this important nesting place. The beach has parking, disabled parking, picnic tables, a playground, bathrooms, showers, grills, and is pretty heavy on the amenities, as well as being just a very beautiful beach. The kids are already having a blast, looking at the many, many, many shells that are everywhere.
I found the moon.
Yeah, you did. It's like Shell Beach. Go find Dada. The limestone rock formations are just incredibly beautiful, and not something that you see on many Florida shores. In the limestone rock formations, you can find tidal pools, where you can find things such as marine worms, crabs, eels, and beyond the shore, there are sharks and sea turtles. This is just stunning clear waters and a perfect place to enjoy the sunset with your family and friends. Kids can learn so much from playing in the tidal pools. This is a great nature and science activity for young kids. This is the real Florida. These coasts are protected and pristine. The rock formations protect so many life forms, and each day you'll find something new in their crags. You can see people swimming and snorkeling offshore. And the coral reefs are gorgeous. I would definitely recommend Coral Cove Park to families and anyone that wants to see a side of Florida that you might not find in the busier cities. If you want to see untouched nature and still have all the amenities that you want in a beach, Coral Cove is definitely a top pick for us. There are other coasts that have these beautiful rock formations, but this one is so easily accessible, there isn't too much walking required, and there's a spot for everyone. We had a blast exploring this beautiful park. The kids learned about tidal pools, and I got to relax with my good friend Jennifer and take selfies on the beach. So, to recap, Coral Cove is a family-friendly beach in Tequesta, Florida. It has almost 15 acres of mostly protected beaches, and it's notable for its beautiful limestone rock formations. It has ample parking, bathrooms, grills, a playground, and a kayak launch. It is a stunning place to spend the day or catch the sunset. What about you? What are your favorite beaches in Florida? Do you prefer the bustling beaches with city amenities and boardwalks, or a more natural beach? Favorite snorkeling spots? Let us know what you think, and we'll see you at the beaches. Bye-bye for now. As always, thanks for watching. Let us know what you think of this video in the comments, or if there is somewhere you think we should cover next. Feel free to like, share, and subscribe for more Florida Family Insiders fun. Until next time.